have a wee visitor.
You do?
In the studio.
I came to be nosy.
I don't get visitors that often.
I came to see the new studio.
Yeah.
Considering I think it was on my podcast I dropped the bombshell that you were getting one.
Did you?
Do you remember?
I don't remember.
We did a question. We did a questions and answers.
That's right. Yeah.
I'd let the cat out of the bag.
Yeah, that's right.
Mm-hmm.
I've seen you since then, though, haven't I?
Oh, we have, yeah. We're not that bad.
No,
we're not that bad.
Tell us what you're knitting and what you're wearing and...
Oh, what I'm knitting and what I'm wearing.
And what your craic is.
Oh, I have no craic at all. I am wearing a ranunculus. I'm actually too warm in my ranunculus, but I was at a funeral today, so I was all dressed up. So this, I think, was my first ranunculus. I knit that years ago.
Lovely basket.
Yes, and in my little basket, I am knitting the Love Note by Tin Can Knits, and I am using these yarns. The main yarn is Zakami. I don't know the colourway though. It was the Woolly Good Gathering yarn colour. One of their yarns, and I'm holding it with Cama Rose Alpaca.
This is the label here.
Yeah, because I can't pronounce the name of the... Oh, this is fancy camera. I don't know where to hold things.
No, I haven't worked that out myself.
It's Cama Rose. Yeah. So that's what I'm knitting. And
it's very pretty colour.
It is. It's a lovely... It's quite neutral.
But it has
wee pops,
subtle,
very subtle. There's like blues and there's a wee bit of pink in it, a wee bit of yellow.
Super nice.
But it's really nice, and this is about one of the easiest patterns I've ever knit.
Really? Doesn't look that easy.
No, it is. It's the lace is basic lace, and you do the pattern twice, basically, and the rest of it's just plain knitting.
Cool.
So
mine even in the shop, don't know how. And where did you get your cute basket?
It was from Etsy. I got it for Christmas.
That's cute.
Again, whoa, this way. That's the maker on Etsy, and it was a Christmas present.
That's cute. It's a nice size for
a
small project.
So I felt quite fancy walking down the street to your house with my little basket.
And your big bunch of flowers that look so nice.
Well, you know, when you do kind of say, Emma, I'm coming to see your studio, you have to bring something.
Oh, well, you don't have to, but it was lovely.
Very well.
I'm knitting the Vilma top by Gregoria Fibres in my...
I do. It's where is the camera?
In my new Natural Decay, which is not in the shop, sorry.
But I can see it.
Yeah, like I can even show it to you with my new vlogging camera. Oh. Does that work? Yes, it does. There we go.
It is really, really pretty.
So how would you describe it? Because you felt it. I feel like I've...
It is really soft. I mean, you know, it's woolly wool, but it's very soft. I mean, I've looked at your Galway wool. It's completely different texture. So it's very soft, and the stitch definition, and that's beautiful with it.
Yeah, it's quite like voluminous.
Yeah, it's really, really clear stitch definition. But yeah, it's. I think it'll plump up, and when you soak that, I think it's going to be really, and it'll really soften. Yeah. And it is already quite soft.
Yeah. And this is just undyed, so I'm just doing it in the undyed colour because the sample in the photographs was like a creamy colour, so just decided to do it undyed. Thought it would be kind of nice.
But
so, yeah, that's what we're up to.
I've told her what I want off the rack.
Yeah, we've already got an order here.
And I got asked, and what project are you going to do? And I went, I don't know. I just need some for a colourwork sweater. That's the main colour. That's the yoke.
We're all sorted here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, but really, really loving the studio. It's a beautiful, beautiful job, and you can't see behind us. There's a big window and we're looking down the dye garden.
Yeah.
And it's very pretty.
And the sun's just about to come out.
It is. It is for the first time.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's beautiful.
Nice. Thank you. We're nearly at the end now, so yeah. Once it gets completely finished, I think I'll be very, very pleased. And you'll come down for the opening party.
Of course. I don't like parties, but yes, okay.
This will be a great party.
Just us.
Yeah.
That's my kind of party.
Oh, sleepover in the studio. It's warmer than my house.
Just knitting all the time. That's my kind of sleepover. No, I will definitely be at the studio warming party.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Bye. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed that little chat with Kate and I. It's a Sunday evening and the sun is out and it has not been out all week, so I am just enjoying these few rays. It's so nice. I have my cup of tea, not yet poured. I have quite a nice treat. I made these yesterday. Chocolate strawberries. And I have my knitting. So a little update on the knitting is I got my mother-in-law to try on her jumper that I'm knitting for her, and it fits nicely, although it needs to be about 3 inches longer or so. So I had stopped knitting on it for a few days because I wasn't sure if it was going to be too long. So I'm going to work on that a little bit now. Timmy is doing bedtime tonight, which is so nice. You don't get that luxury if you've more than one child, I am sure. So this is my Vilma top. So I mistakenly sent out in an email a while ago that I made a mistake in this, but I realised I didn't. So I was able to continue knitting, and while Kate was here I actually got quite a lot done over the couple of hours, and now I need to figure out where I'm at in the pattern. But I'm really enjoying this pattern so far. It's interesting enough to keep going, but it's not so intense that you need to like look at the pattern all the time, because on the wrong side it's just purl, and on the right side it's mainly just this little lace detail here, and then every so often you have to do one of these little motifs. And I'm not tooting my own horn here, but I'm really enjoying my own yarn. My new natural DK. It's not come to the shop for ages, but I just couldn't resist casting on a few things with it. And also, when I last had it in the shop, my mother-in-law, excuse me, I'm just going to pour my tea. Yes, what was I saying there? Yes, I was chatting to my mother-in-law today, and she told me this a while ago and I couldn't actually believe it. So I actually, before, knit her a sweater in the natural DK. It was, I can't remember the name of the pattern, but it was by Vanessa Palisa, the Spanish designer, and it had lovely lace work, and it was a cardigan actually. I steeked it and I dyed it with nettles and iron, and I got this really nice sage green. And anyway, she told me the other week that she actually just washed it in the washing machine, and I was like, I cannot believe you did that. And then so today I finally had enough time to ask her like how she did it, because it came out perfect. It did not fill in any way, and I was just really shocked, because pretty much any time I've accidentally put something in my washing machine, it has definitely felted. So she used a French wool detergent. I'm not sure what the name of it was. She got it in holidays one year and she put it on the wool cycle. It came out perfect. There's nothing else I can say about that. The colour is perfect. It hasn't washed out. It has not felted. It has not shrunk. I don't know. And then she goes to me, it's been a long time since I've hand washed anything, Emma. I was like, well done. You got away with that one. So that's kind of cool, just in case you're interested in that sort of thing. Gonna get stuck into a little bit of knitting now in this beautiful evening sun, and yeah, hope you're having a nice weekend. And I'm wearing my Dropp sweater by Ailbiona, I forgot to say, and it was knit in Nutiden. I was given this yarn as a gift. It's the only thing I've ever knitted in Nutiden. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. And yeah, it's my coziest sweater. It's got crazy amount of ease, something like, I don't know, probably like 60 centimeters positive ease, which is kind of mad. And I thought I would never wear it. Whenever I knitted it, it was so big and I couldn't bear to rip out that unspun yarn. So I just continued to knit it, and you know what? In the winter, I wear this the most out of any sweater, so I might have to just knit myself another one. The funny thing is though, whenever you fold it up, it looks kind of ugly. So like, it doesn't look nice in my wardrobe when it's all folded up. It definitely hangs way better on the body than it looks folded up. So that's kind of an interesting side note. Anyway, time to knit.